this is Texas Sniper. But our real names is Colton and Landon. And we're gonna start Saturday making videos, and we're gonna make a little bit tonight. But our we got a party tomorrow because my nephew's turning 1, and
Alright, well, our characters are going to be, like, I am a lizard on Minecraft that is blue and has purple dots on it. That's why I'm calling myself a little lizard.
And I got a hoodie on and a mask, and I have like drink pouches in my back pocket. That's why I picked the Texas Sniper name, so because I have a hoodie and all that, so I look like a military man.
Okay, guys, I think we'll start playing GTA right now. Alright? Let's do it. Alright,
But pause that. Pause it.
Alright, see you in the next video.